Today I am going to explain grammar lesson direct and indirect speech. Now you can see the picture here. There is a girl in red clothes. She says one sentence, I am happy. And this sentence is spoken or reported by another girl, and she reported her sentence with something change. Sanya said she was happy. Now another girl, she reports the sentence without any change, and she and just put she puts the same words without any change. Sanya said I am happy. So what is direct speech? Direct speech saying what someone said without any changes. Here we use quotation marks to indicate what the person said and also use the exact words of the person. Indirect speech. Indirect speech, we do not use quotation marks. Instead, we use the conjunction that and state the sentence by changing its tense or person. Now the changes of the tense of the reported speech. If the reported verb is present or future tense, the tense of the reported speech doesn't change. But if the tense of the reporting verb is past tense, then it changes. If the reported speech in present simple, changing it to past simple. Present continuous, past continuous. Past simple, past perfect. Present perfect, past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. Will, would, can, could, may, might, must, had to. So there are some examples from direct to indirect speech. Indirect speech. She said the test was difficult. Direct, I bought a car. Indirect, he said he bought a car. Direct, my parents are very well. Indirect, Alex said that his parents were very well. Direct, please don't be late. Indirect, he asked there not to be late. So these are the examples of some direct and indirect speech. Now changes of the person. First person of the reported speech changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person is changes according to the object of the reporting verb. Third person, no change. And one another change of the tense, if the tense of the reported speech expresses something universal truth, then the tense of the reported speech doesn't change. Some another words changes: today, that day, now, then, yesterday, the day before, here, there, this, that, these, those, ago, previous, tomorrow, next year. Assertive sentence, if the sentence of the reported speech in assertive sentence, then that is used to aid the reporting verb or reported speech. If the interrogative sentence, if the reported speech in interrogative sentence and starts with is, are, am, do, does, did, then if whether is used as conjunction. He said to me, do you like mango? Now the changes, he asked me if I liked mango. If the reported speech sentence starts with WH words, then WH words as used as conjunction. Example: Vinod said, why are you late, Ajay? Vinod asked Ajay why he was late. An imperative sentence to is used as conjunction. He said, drink milk, don't drink coffee. Indirect speech. He told or he requested or advised her to drink milk or not to drink milk. Practice time. I give some questions. Solve and match your answer with given. Thanks.